Today we will talk about an important topic. The 12th of Rabi Awal is a date many Muslims talk about. Most people say that the Prophet Muhammad was born on this day, so they celebrate Mawlid al-Nabi, the Prophet's birthday. But when we look at history carefully, we find that the exact date of his birth is not clear. Some historians say it was the 2nd of Rabi Awal, some say the 8th or 9th, and some say the 12th. What is clear and true is that the Prophet passed away on the 12th of Rabi Awal. In Sahih al-Bukhari it is mentioned that he passed away on Monday, and historians confirmed that it was the 12th. So, the day that is now celebrated as his birthday is actually the day of his passing. In the time of the Prophet, his companions, and the early Muslims, there was no celebration of Mawlid. It started many centuries later, in Egypt by the Fatimid rulers of Shia dynasty. They began this festival for political reasons, to gain people's support, not for true religious devotion. In Islam, adding new practices to the religion is called bid'ah innovation. The Prophet said, "Whoever introduces something new in this religion, it will be rejected." Sahih Bukhari and Muslim. Today, Mawlid celebrations often include things that are not part of Islam, such as music, drums, lights, and free mixing of men and women. Real love for the Prophet is not shown by these new celebrations. True love means to follow his sunnah, live by his teachings, and copy his way of life. The Prophet himself did not celebrate his birthday. Instead, he used to fast on Mondays and said, "That is the day I was born." Sahih Muslim. So, the best way to honor the Prophet is not by celebrating Mawlid, but by living every day according to his sunnah and showing love and obedience to him. This is true love, and this is the real message of Islam.